At Northwestern, we're extremely proud of the ways that our scientists and engineers from different departments come together where they can really redefine the questions that will let us advance energy technologies. We actually ask questions in ways that lead to new insights and new discoveries, but are really only possible when we see multidisciplinary teams come together. ISEN has been one of the leaders in giving incredible hope by developing the technologies that will change the way we live, make it a better way to live, and one that's better in terms of sustaining our energy resources.
In terms of the research, we've been focusing largely on renewable energy, for instance, solar energy. We have a large group of people at Northwestern who are experts on various aspects of converting solar energy into electricity, as well as using solar energy for chemical catalysis for important processes, for instance, like solar fuels generation. In addition, we have people focused on new aspects of splitting water using solar light to generate hydrogen and oxygen. Any technology we can establish right now that will mitigate these problems is going to be important, and that essentially means doing energy transition to a system that does not rely on fossil fuels as strongly. And number two, it means beefing up the resilience of our communities so that in the interim, we can cope better with some of these infrastructure changes that are needed. For instance, better electricity grids, better ways of managing environmental plastics, better ways of dealing with the way people treat the environment, whether that is our activities with wetlands, whether that's our activities with water, and other issues of that nature. Giant Fab is a facility designed to be able to fabricate novel prototype solar cells under an scrupulously clean and air-free environment so that we can not only fabricate them, we can also test them under those conditions so that we understand what their optimal performance is. And so this facility is unique to ISEN at the university and is available widely for users throughout the community. Another one of ISEN's unique facilities is our so-called Flex Lab. We have 2 floors of lab space at Northwestern in addition to one of our science buildings that is dedicated to ISEN's research. And what's nice about it, it's open space in the sense that people from these diverse projects can then talk to one another and bump into each other on a day-to-day basis. And so there are a lot of new ideas are generated just by this interaction between people.
Right now, we're all facing a deep challenge, and the challenge is, dealing with what I will call the push towards a decarbonized economy. We need a strong policy environment, we need advancements in technology, and we need to include climate science in every discussion around our operations.
Our faculty are the leaders in the nation in terms of developing technologies, informing policy, and guiding state-of-the-art research.
Because we're in such a period of energy transition, partnering with ISEN gives us the opportunity to tap into very established academic institution like Northwestern. There's no time like now to actually start addressing those problems.